Okay, you have a texture. You tiled it, but it looks like garbage. I'm gonna help you fix that. First thing, add a noise texture. Now add a Voronoi texture. Now connect the color output of the noise texture into the Voronoi texture. Add an XRGB node and connect the object or UV output into the second socket. Now add the combine XYZ node and add a separate HSV node. Put the color into the separate HSV and plug the hue into the Z-axis. Now set the numbers to your own liking. Now add them all into a node group and do exactly as I do. And there you have it. You can use it now to tile any texture setup. Bye.